Hi, my name's Melissa, and I would like to share with you something I just created that I am calling the Ultimate Sports Fan Cap. It is an Arduino wearable that uses the internet to pull the scores from your favorite sports team and display them on the cap. So you can check the scores when you are away from a screen, and you can share with your friends, family, your rivals, how well your team is doing. So let me show you how it works. Today it's Monday night football, and we've got the Miami Dolphins and the New Orleans Saints. And right now I have got New Orleans set as my home team. And so we're going to pull the scores, and it should show us how New Orleans is doing. And we can see right now that out of the 5, we've got 4 out of 5, which shows that New Orleans is in the lead. And that matches. You can see that the scores that we're pulling do match the scores from the live feed from NFL. And so, since I am not guaranteed that we're going to have a score change while we're doing this, let me switch over here and so I can manually trigger it and show you all the other things that the hat does. If it is a tie score, or if the game hasn't started yet, you will see 3 bars. If you are behind, but not by too much, less than 10 points, 2 bars. Ahead by less than 10 points, 4 bars. Really behind, 1 bar. And then you are kicking some booty and ahead by more than 10 points, and you've got full 5 bars. The cap will also know when the game is over, and so it will update you on the final results of the game. So if your team lost, not so good of a day, you get the red indicator at the top showing the game was final and the 1 bar. And I'll show you that one more time. And if it was a really good day and your team won, you get all 5 bars. And then up in the indicator, it may be hard to see, but it's an RGB that cycles through, so you get multiple colors showing through the top. Future plans for this might be to customize it with team logos or other things like that. Today we are wired in, but the next prototype I plan on using wireless and creating a mobile app so it'll pull the scores from your phone. You can see this is an open source project, and so I will have a link down in the description to my code on GitHub. GetScore is the Python code that is used to go and fetch the score, and then show health as the code for the Arduino. Let me show you the inside of the cap. Now this was made with an Arduino lily pad, and here you can see the lily pad in there, and you can see all through here all of these are conductive thread. Now I made this with the ProSnap LilyPad development board. I really recommend it. It comes, your kit and all your LEDs come attached together in this board that you can then plug in, and you can do all of your testing on here. And I'll just show you real quick. This is, if it will show, you can see my layout schematic for the LEDs and for the RGB. And then over here I've got an indicator, so if you do look in the code, you'll see one set of code for the board and then another set that says sewn. I did make a few changes to make it easier to sew into the hat to make it less likely that I would cross over my connections and short it out. So this is the Ultimate Sports Fan Cap. I hope you like it, and I hope that it inspires you to go out and use this, modify it, and make something of your own. So thank you for taking the time.